Look at these beauties. Oh, aren't they ruddy fantastic? Ooh, look at that. Look at that one, lads. Can't wait to stomp on some fascist necks in these bad boys. Hello, my name is Mort. I'm a sound artist and recording engineer, and today I'm going to be opening up a very special package indeed. Within this package is the latest Lazy Oaf. I'm trying to do this without showing my address to the camera. This is the latest Lazy Oaf and Dr Martens collaboration. Now, I was a bit iffy as to whether I was going to make this video, because I feel like unboxings and hauls can very easily be, oh look, I have this, I can afford to buy this, look at all these things I own. It's such consumerist garbage. However, that is mainly what I watch on YouTube, because I am a spunky young adult who expresses her dissatisfaction with her life through weird clothing and bizarre hair choices. I bought my first Lazy Oaf piece back in 2016 when I moved to London, and suddenly I could just go to the Ganton shop they have and just look at the clothes and try them on, because that's the one thing that's always held me back from getting in on these trendy companies, is I don't like buying things online all that much. I like being able to see them and try them on and look at them and go, I got my first pair of Docs when I was 14 years old, and I live in Dr Martens. They're just, it's so loud. I got my first pair of Dr Martens when I was 14 years old, and I have lived in one pair or another since then, and I'm 21 now. And in fact, so when they first announced the Lazy Oaf Dr Martens collaboration, I lost my shit. I loved them, but I wasn't going to buy them because they were hellishly expensive, and I'm a student, so I was kind of miffed. But my cousins were in town, I got my student loan, and they basically egged me on, and that's when I bought the first collaboration. And I'm not kidding when I say I have worn them every day for 2 years. They are battered, they are broken, they're scratched, they've been up mountains, they've been in seas, they've been over the Atlantic. They have been everywhere with me. They've been to gigs, they've been to weddings. I actually still have my box from my first pair of Dr Martens, and I keep all my art supplies in it now. That's just the return address. And a cute little thank you card with their summer collection on it. But that's not what we're here to see. We're here to see this bad boy. So I arrived back in the UK yesterday morning at 9 a.m. and I then slept from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. At the time of recording, this is the next day at 11:15, and I haven't slept since 6 p.m. I have been awake more than 24 hours. But I finally felt over the jet lag enough, because I want to wear these shoes. I want to try these shoes on, but I also wanted to make this video. So here we are. Oh. One boot. Oh, they're so cool. Lazy Oaf, Dr Martens. I got the creepers because I don't need another pair of boots. I already have my Lazy Oaf docs. What I need is a pair of stompers. Oh. Now, these aren't vegan. They are made with animal fur. Now let's give you a little do 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 do. It's got like a little bit of, oh, it's just plastic from where they've lined the shoes. Oh, these bad boys. So, these were also hellishly expensive, but I've come to the point now where I have worn that first pair of Dr Martens I got from Lazy Oaf so many times that I have zero guilt in the money. This is very much worth it. If they're half as good as the other docs, then they'll be worth it. Now, my feet, like I said, I've been wearing Dr Martens since I was 14, so my feet are permanently calloused from just breaking in docs. So I know that I'm going to be in pain, and I know that it's going to be worth it. Oh my... I'm going to try them on. So, how the fuck do you get into these? One of the reasons I love the other pair of Dr Martens so much is because they've got the zip on the front of them, and so I can just zip zip, I'm on, and I'm off. And because I wear them everywhere, someone at my university actually referred to them as my docs. He said, I saw someone wearing your docs the other day, and I just had a little bit of pride because I genuinely like Lazy Oaf. Now here's the thing. Almost all of the clothes I wear are either merch that I bought at gigs to support bands, or clothes that I have got from charity shops, or thrift shops, as you would say in the States. So Lazy Oaf is one of the few companies that I actually give money to, because the planet's dying. It takes a lot of water to make these things. We need to look after it as much as we can. So I try not to buy new clothes. And for a brief period of time, I kind of got wrapped up in the whole a new collection, a new piece mentality. You know, that kind of like... And I do like a lot of clothes that Lazy Oaf make. Don't get me wrong. I wasn't buying stuff I didn't like. But it was more just, now that Lazy Oaf has such a cult following, I know that if I don't get that piece when it comes out, I'm not going to get it because people will just be selling it on Depop for 4 times the price, which is ridiculous. But so they were having a competition to win the sandals from this collection, and you just had to, you know, say when the first collection came out. And my brother sent it to me, and we were just chatting about it because he knows that I love this brand. And then he was like, Ciara, how much Lazy Oaf stuff do you own? And I was shocked to go through it all and be like, oh shit, I own far too much. Like, let me know if you'd be interested in seeing a Lazy Oaf collection video, because like I said, I've been buying Lazy Oaf since 2016. I have a lot of, I wouldn't say rare pieces, but I have a lot of nice pieces and a few more of the niche ones that you don't really see being resold. Also, they know me in the shop. That happened to me once. I went in and she was like, oh, hello again, at the shop, because we went to the same university. And we just chat. That's the thing, I'm a very chatty person, so I get to know people. And because I was going into the Lazy Oaf store probably once every 2 months, they recognise me. And I just... But like I said, I try not to buy many new clothes now because, well, Lazy Oaf actually isn't that sustainable, or not unethical, but there's a great video by a YouTuber called The Stitches, and I'll insert it here, maybe. I don't know if that's in shot. And she basically goes through a lot of alternative clothing brands like Dolls Kill, Lazy Oaf. I think she did the Ragged Priest, sugar pill, that kind of cute pastel-y online aesthetic. And she basically emailed them all and asked them, you know, where they make their clothes and how sustainable are they and how ethical are they and how do they look after their workers. And Lazy Oaf actually came back and they were like, well, we comply with the regulations, which doesn't necessarily mean that they're going above and beyond. Like I said, go watch the video. It's a great video. It's quick and snappy and to the point, and I thought it was great. I haven't even mentioned the best thing. This collaboration has been marketed using Peach Club, one of my favourite female punk bands. I love them. And like, I knew that they'd done some like corporate shows at the Doc's Room in Camden, and I was like, that is really cool, because that's actually how I found out about them like 2 years ago. And then I was very lucky to be on the internet at the time that the photos released, and I was like, that is them. Those are my girls. Oh, my little heart. I will say though, these shoes are incredibly comfortable, even for docs. Like, I was kind of expecting the insides of the like around where the ankles is, I was kind of expecting that to lean in a bit, you know, I'd have to break that down. And I'm sure with wear it might be a bit tough, but they're so comfortable and soft. I adore this. Thank you very much for watching. I adore my new babies. I don't have any comfortable way of sitting on my bed in these huge shoes. Thank you very much for watching. I have other videos. They're not all quite as corporate as this. Although my last one is. This is the thing. All of my videos up until this month are quite arty-farty, you know, song covers, nice little films I've made. Like, I'm very proud of like the original individual. Like, I look at that stuff and I'm like, ah yes, that is me. But like my past two videos have been Get Ready With Me, which was just me talking about Bikini Kill, and this, which is an unboxing. So the more I lean into the mainstream kind of YouTube videos, the more uncomfortable I become. So I'll probably have some kind of weird vlog thing up next. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. I'm lonely. Bye.